Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to make changes to a program using Curriculog. This will also work the same for micro-credentials, but also program degree at any level, so even minors. If it's a micro-credential, use the micro-credential change form, but if it's any other type of program, you go to the program change form. And you just go and press the checkbox to the side. This will allow you to input which program you're changing. So if I wanted to change the biology degree, I would search for that program, and then input it by pressing this button to the side. This will show me what's importing and I can build the proposal. It does take it a second. Once it's in there, to the side we'll have the approval process. I like to minimize those. You can go through and you'll fill out what needs to be changed. Of note, most everything will already be in there. The major code as of now is not imported, so I would ask you to add it, but moving forward we hope to add those. You hear us say what you're changing and your rationale of why. After that, I have the degree requirements, and then we have the actual degree. If you are adding any new courses to the degree that are not presently there, you will need to add them on this page. If they are, if it's in the college catalog, you do that with import course. If they are not, and they are something that we are still presently making, you can hit add course. But for the most part, they should be courses that exist. Hit import course, select the catalog, and then find the course. I recommend normally going by prefix, and then I can find which course I want. So if I wanted to add Physics 210, I can select it and add it to the proposal. This will allow you then go and change the semester by semester breakdown. There will be in each tab, it'll show what is required, and you'll just make any changes required. That if I want to add that course to the second semester, or add any course second semester, I can just add course and put it in, and the order can be changed by clicking and dragging. If I want to delete any courses, I can just delete with a little trash can. You can also add custom text. This could be things like, restricted elective, general education 23DV, and so on, to add custom text, and you can edit the custom text as needed. If you would change the program loading outcomes, that show up down here also, that you can go in there and edit them as needed. If you're changing your credit hours, that will show up here. Restricted electives were listed here in this case. A lot of the time, the restricted electives will show up in their own call. This is kind of weird that they're here. If you would like to add a call for something like that, you can press add call, and I could add unrestricted electives down here and just take this and put in its own thing. Of note, you can see my new code does not have a name right now, even though I named it unrestricted electives. To update that, you kind of have to press save all changes, and that'll make it be updated. If you're changing your credit hours, same thing. If I turn this into 120, which I know SUNY-wise we can't do, it won't show the change until I press save all changes. The heading section, we ask you do not change, but past that, you just go and edit this as needed till you have whatever you need to get. Hopefully that helped. Any questions, feel free to contact. Bye.